What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's exciting video, we just received the Pagani Huyara R RLC car. Wait till you guys see this one. This is going to be awesome. Stay tuned to the end so you guys can see the whole thing. Alright, so I already got the tape off, and there's something interesting that I want to show you guys with this one. Alright, there's just the outer box. Looks great, Redline Club. Here is the little cardboard shell that comes over it. Has the Italian flag, looks like a carbon fiber design, and then different colors of the actual car. And here it is. It looks so amazing. So amazing. I think that they did a wonderful job on this casting. I mean, even like the exhaust is just insane. Everything about it is so great. Let's get it out of this acrylic box and take the plastic off, and we can look at the moving parts. Also, just a note, when opening up these acrylic cases for yours, do not just pull it off. You will snap the case. You need to slowly wiggle it out. Try to bend this bottom base a little bit. Try to get the acrylic off that way as slow as possible so you don't break the case. All right, we have the case off. Boom. 2021 Pagani Huyara R RLC. Here's the little plastic piece that keeps the trunk from opening in the package. And here it is. We could get a closer view of this in all of its glory. Now, Hot Wheels has not released a Pagani Huyara R yet. This is my favorite Pagani of all time. And I was wondering when they were going to release this. And apparently their first time ever releasing this is in Hot Wheels form. Now, they have included the mirrors. This is a very, important, crucial thing that I think makes Hot Wheels Paganis look not very good, is because they do not include the absolutely majestic mirrors that Pagani has on his cars. And the headlights look great. It's in this classic RLC color, like the chrome. It's still a dark color. And something interesting I want to show you guys before we move on to the trunk is on the bottom, it says that the Huyara, Zonda, Utopia, and any other trademarks. So it shows you Utopia. For those of you who don't know, the Utopia has been leaked and it is coming out, but it says other, right? So I could assume that there's going to be a ton more Paganis Hot Wheels is making in the future, which I'm excited for because this is one of my favorite hypercar, supercar brands. Now, the headlights are great. The mirrors are great. The paint is great. There's like nothing possibly wrong with it. The wheels have like their own little black chrome thing going on, right? The exhaust is amazing. It looks so accurate. The only thing that I'd say doesn't look super accurate is the taillights. The taillights kind of look more like a candy cane shape on the real Huyara R, but it is barely noticeable. Like, it still is really accurate. And I also love the little Italian flag there on the diffuser. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, getting this trunk off. So I'm going to figure out how that works. All right, so it is a little bit weird getting it off. It does feel like you are going to break it, but that's because there's a little metal piece that's holding it in there. And I basically just kind of pulled it straight up and out a little bit, and it popped right off. Here's the back trunk. It's a solid piece of metal. Very good quality there. And we move on to the engine bay, which does look great. You could see that exhaust there. Looks so cool. Probably the most, it's probably like the thing you think about the most when you hear about the Huyara R and the engine bay. You think about that exhaust. Super nice. I did see people commenting stuff like, where's the engine? And I do understand that, because it looks very flat, but still, I mean, you could see the engine up in there nicely. It's really good. Really good design for a Hot Wheels car here. I think that this was definitely worth it. And I think people are going to be more happy with this one than the F1, unfortunately, because the F1 had a lot of defects, and because the F1 was also more expensive than this. This was $30, and the F1 was $35. So having, an RLC car being more money and being defective is not very great. The quality control on these aren't the best. But one thing I did notice is on the mirrors, they didn't put any like reflectant stickers or anything, which honestly I kind of like because they don't really look very good. It kind of looks very fake, and I think it looks great how it is. So yeah, we're gonna put this on the turntable. I'm not gonna remove it from the base. If you guys know me, I don't really remove them from the base because I try to preserve them. But yeah, we'll show this in the F1. I'm gonna put this on the turntable, and we'll have some pics of it at the end. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below any feedback you have on this Pagani Huayra R. And keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.